are in good health. I'm Arita Haque and today we are back with another lesson on science. And today we will be learning about living and non-living things. First and foremost, we need to know that all the things which are present in this world can be classified as living and non-living things. Alright, so now we will get to know what are living things actually. So, things that can breathe, eat, grow, move, have feelings, produce their young ones, and die are called living things. Alright, so here are some examples of living things. Birds, insects, animals, trees, human beings, etc. as they have the same characteristics like eating, breathing, giving birth, etc. Alright, so now we will get to know what non-living things are. So, things that cannot breathe, eat, grow, move, have feelings, produce their young ones, and die are called non-living things. Things that cannot. You have to notice that cannot. It's just the opposite as the living things. Alright, so some examples of non-living things include rocks, chair, table, pen, car, etc. Because these things cannot eat, grow, breathe, and give birth. Alright, so you might be wondering that why did I say that plants are considered as living things? Because plants are living things because they grow from seeds using water and nutrients from the soil. Plants eat food, absorb minerals, nutrients, and water. And this is the reason they are considered as living things. Plants can also breathe and give birth to more little plants, like their young ones. So this is the reason why plants are considered as living things. Alright, so here I have made a little chart or a table for you guys so you can understand the difference between living things and non-living things. So living things can breathe, non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can grow, non-living things cannot grow. Living things have senses, non-living things do not have senses. So here are a few differences between them, but there are more differences, like living things can give birth to their young ones and non-living things cannot give birth to their young ones. Living things can eat and non-living things cannot eat. So here are a few differences between them, but there are more differences. So that was all for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions you can just comment down below and ask those questions. So thank you.